Hey guys, Ben here, and for today's lesson we are going to be doing something called magic pepper and soap, okay? Now the purpose of this is to teach you guys about surface tension and the effect of, or the relationship between cause and effect, okay? Now the first thing we're going to be doing is I'm going to be showing you the materials we're going to be needing. So you're going to need a plate, one that's kind of shallow. It can be glass or it can be any type of surface that can hold water. Okay, but we just need a plate. The second thing is we're gonna need some pepper, okay? I'm gonna be using pepper packets, okay? Any type of pepper, ground pepper, black pepper will work. And then you're going to be needing a little bit of soap, not a whole lot, just enough to coat your finger, and some food coloring. This is optional, but I feel like it helps the visibility of the effect, so I went with it, okay? Now the first thing we're gonna be doing is adding a few drops of food coloring. I chose blue. So 1, 2, okay? And then we're just gonna mix it around, get the water all colored. Okay. Now that we have our blue water, we're going to be adding our pepper, okay? Now, as we discussed in previous lessons, what is density and how it plays a part in things floating. As you can see, when we add our pepper in, if I get it open a little bit, the pepper is staying on the surface. So what that means is it has a lower density than the water. Okay, guys? Now, just gonna add in a few more. So we have a lot of pepper in there, so it looks cooler, okay? Now, once we have our pepper added, we're going to be showing the relationship, okay? This is a cause and effect. So what happens is a result of what we do. Okay, so as we have it right now, there's surface tension between the pepper and the water. It's how it is, everything is spread out, not moving. But then as we add the soap with our finger, it's going to cause a change in the surface tension, okay? So as you can see, we're going to dip one finger in the water, just like that. Make sure it's not dripping. And then we're gonna touch the very center of the pepper, of the water solution, okay? So as you can see, whoa, did you guys see that? Okay, now the reason why that happened is as we touched it, there was a change in the surface tension. And that's because the soap, as we put in, the soap is trying to get to the top. And the reason it goes out is because the water molecules are trying to keep the tension the same. So notice how this is all together and still on the top. It's not like the pepper went to the bottom, it just spread out because the water molecules are going away from the soap, okay? Now, I want you guys to try this at home, okay? Let me know how it goes. Let me see what food coloring you use. Let me see what pepper you use. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments, okay? And as always, I want you guys to have fun and be safe, okay? See you later.